Now at the very beginning, it's these beats that invite that kind of sound. So be close to the keys. Yeah, the rhythm really has to be precise. Change the pedal on. It still sounds like you're catching the C in the pedal. Yeah. Right. Now I imagine the reason you did that was a very good reason, and that was this. Right. But you hear what that does? It's just too much there. So what I'm suggesting is that it goes by so fast that I think it's worth sacrificing that for that instant at the end. So now I want you to be an absolute metronome here. I mentioned to you the last time that one thing that, since this is highly nationalistic, and do you remember which of his 3 periods it comes from?
This is in his second period.
Right, exactly. When he really had internalized the folk element, very similar to Bartók's development. But one thing that characterizes it is this falling third at the end. But it's also rising third. I'm doing with my body. You see how my body is already over there? Instead of it's harder. Now, excuse me, but I find the pedal too thick. Change on that. Which is hard to avoid, is panic. Because you're going back and forth so much, but if, just yeah, you see, now, you and I approach that completely differently. Because you went, and I went,
you draw.
Exactly, and I didn't cover the note first. Because there's a time. When you do that, isn't it? When you do